Okay. Asan beta, where is your cap?
I can't find it, so it's
Beta, it is there now. You have to prepare with all, wear all the uniform and cap with all the things.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. Try to find
it is very much necessary, beta. Online classes means just it's like a school. Okay, as we are wearing proper uniform, okay, in the school, so in the same way you have to be there with the proper uniform and cap. Okay. 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 So this is your physics period now. So please open your physics books. Okay. What's the day? Yes. Today is 15 January. Okay. 15 January. Okay. Then physics period is there. Okay. Okay. So what is going on in the physics in the last chapter?
magnetism. We are learning about magnetism.
Usama beta, please be seated. Don't move here and there. Be seated. Okay. Okay, so we are talking about that magnetism. Okay, there are several type of magnetism I have discussed earlier also in the class. Okay, what are they? What are different types of magnets? Tell me. Basically, Hassan, first of all, you tell me please that what is magnet basically? It is a substance.
Magnet is a substance which can kind of
What's its property? What is its property to attract?
It can attract iron, steel.
Iron, steel, very good.
And
Usama, beta, you tell me what is magnet? I told in the class also.
Sir, magnet can attract iron, nickel, cobalt, and their alloys.
Yes, cobalt and their alloys. Very good. Okay. So Hassan, remember this thing. Cobalt is also there. Okay. Okay. Then it's just a quick recap. What is okay. So what are the that type of temporary magnets and permanent magnets? How we increase the strength of that? Yes, beta. Usama.
So we can increase their strength by in electricity. In that one electromagnet, if we will do fast electricity, the power of the magnet will also increase.
Yes. Means permanent magnet is also there. Okay. Like okay, and temporary magnet. Okay, we know that we can also increase its strength also, huh? You know this or not?
Yes. I think so.
Yes.
Okay, so how we increase the strength of the magnet? Yes, how beta, how can we increase? Sama, you told, tell me. I told in the class, and you reply me the correct answer also.
Sir, in permanent magnet.
Beta, there are 15 participants, and everyone should be there with your open cameras. Okay, where are the remainings? Khizr bin Ibrahim, okay, you have a cab, very good. Abdullah, Ahmed Ali Abdullah, see, fix your camera properly. You are not seeing properly the whole rest. Ahmed Ali Abdullah, where is your? Okay, good. Okay, so you understood about this? Okay, so on page number, I can say, open page number 691, where it is written induction method. Everyone opened it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Number?
Page number 91, induction method is there. Yes, any idea, anyone having some idea? It is already being taught in the class. Just I want to make a revision.
Question, sir.
Tell me, beta, where is your dress? Amin Huda, beta, where is your dress? You are not wearing dress. Amin Huda, you are not be in the class. I will be remove you. Amin Huda, are you listening?
I am not in Aligarh. I came to Delhi and then took lockdown. I cannot go Aligarh back.
Okay. Okay.
That's why.
Okay. Okay. So tell me fast about that induction method. Yes. What is that induction method?
Sir,
What is that induction method?
when
The piece
when a piece
magnet material such as iron is kept very close to a magnet, it behaves like a magnet. The magnet is so acquired, it is called induction induced magnetism, and the method is called the induction method.
Okay, that's right. Nice. Yes. Any problem in this? Anyone having confusion in that?
nothing. Sir. Very
Okay. Okay. One question I asked just now means that is how to increase the strength of any magnet. Okay. Tell me one method how to increase. Suppose that if I have a nail, okay, and if I wound a copper wire, an insulated copper wire, and connect this with a terminal of battery, okay, then we see that if we pass the current, it will attract iron objects. Okay, very small iron pins can be attracted by this. Okay, as we increase the number of turns is if increased, okay, then its strength will also be increased. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And there is one, tell me one another method is there in your book also, how to increase the strength. Tell me.
So another method,
Yes.
increase.
Means one thing is we have to increase the number of turns around the that coil or iron object or iron nail. Okay, and another thing is that how to increase the strength.
Second,
Yes, beta, please.
so sir, when we will put more batteries, then the power will then the power will increase.
Yes. Okay, on increasing the strength of
If
battery.
we take, yes sir, if we take 3 or 4
The
batteries,
batteries
cell.
can be increased.
Yes sir.
Batteries number.
If we
Okay.
increase that, then the power of magnetic field will be increased at that time.
Yes, that's very good. Okay, so see, miss, you know that iron magnet can be used in various places. Okay, on page number 95, open it. Up to page number 94, I have covered the class. Okay, is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Other students will also reply. Up to which page we have completed? I remember for that during the vacations, all the things.
Till 94 we have completed. Now in 95 we are.
Okay, very good. In 95. So what is there in 95? What are the uses or where we use these magnets? Okay. So what is there in the page number 95? Storage and handling of magnets. Okay. Everyone is seeing? Please read it.
Yes, sir. Care must be taken in
In handling and
Storage of magnets. Improper storage and handling can cause a magnet.
everyone open. Whose camera is off? Who is he? Ayman Hussain, open your cameras. Everyone open your cameras, otherwise I will note your names. It is there that everyone should be present, should open their cameras. Saad. And who is he?
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Sayyid Ahmad Hussain. Walaikum Salam.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum Salam.
My
Beta
name is Saad
Faiz.
Ahmed Khan.
Faiz, open your camera. Hamza Kamar. Okay. So you're reading. Okay, continue with your reading. A magnet can be demagnetized in the following ways. This is very important. How to demagnetize the magnet. Demagnetize means.
Dropping it from a height. Mean
Listen me first. listen me first. Demagnetize means we have to cancel or remove the property or power of magnetism. Property or power of magnetism. Okay, means the magnetism property should be taken out from that. This is called a demagnetize. Okay. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what are the here it is written three things for demagnetize.
By
Ayan, you tell me what are the three things? Ayan, Zubair, tell me, open your camera.
Yes, sir.
Beta,
Was audible.
yes, tell me.
Said that how it can be magnetized.
Yes, beta.
Sir, if we drop a magnet from a very height, it can be demagnetized that way.
Okay,
And
means first
if
point
we
is
heat a
from height. Okay, very good, beta. Then another
sir, and
point.
second, if we hit it very hardly with something,
Heating, very good. Third point,
sir, and hitting.
hitting with a hammer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so beta, this is very important because we have, if we want to demagnetize a magnet, means we have to cancel its power so that it will not attract the things. Okay, so that what we do, we have to drop that magnet from a height. Okay, is it clear? We heat it strongly so that all the things, all the property get demagnetized, or all the property of attraction will be removed, and by hitting or by hitting with a hammer. Okay, in this way, what we are doing is gradually its property is decreasing, and finally very small or no properties left in that magnet. Okay, these things, you know, you can be, this is the small means activities. If you're having some magnet in your home, so do these things. Okay, so means in this way you can also have a practical of how we demagnetize a thing. Okay, and I told this in the class also, means if if we bring a small you can say pin or nail near the magnet. Okay, then what we observe, then after some time it also have the property of magnetism. Is it clear? You know it? I told this in the class also.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
okay, read it. Then it has been observed
Yes,
that
sir.
magnets tends to lose their magnetism.
Magnetism on their own if their poles are left free. This
Hmm.
is called self-demagnetization.
Yes.
Therefore, when not in use, magnets should be stored using magnet keepers to minimize self-demagnetization. A magnetic keeper is a soft iron bar. While storing bar magnets, a pair of bar magnets is placed with the opposite poles close to each other, and a magnetic keeper is placed at each end of the magnets. Figure 6.12. While storing a horseshoe magnet, only one magnetic keeper is required. Figure 6.12b.
Okay. So what is there, Hassan? Beta, tell me what you have understood from this paragraph.
magnets end up, if magnets are not used, they end up demagnetizing, and that type of demagnetizing is called self-demagnetization.
Yes, very good.
And to minimize self demagnetization, we used a magnetic keeper, which is a soft iron bar, which is placed
Yes.
on two
Okay.
bars.
Okay. Hasan, Jazakallah, beta. Usama Kareem, just tell me. Hasan, Jazakallah. Usama.
So in this paragraph, they are saying that if you want to keep a bar magnet, uh, so we will take a pair of bar magnet and
Huh?
we will put magnetic keeper on each pole.
Okay. What is magnetic keeper?
So that it is made up of iron, and if
Okay.
the magnet is touched with it, so it attracts it, and the magnetic power is gone to the iron and come again to the bar magnet. So
Okay.
the power is produced. And in the horseshoe magnet, one bar is placed in the
Yes.
between of
In the same way, a pair of bar magnets placed with the opposite poles. Okay, to each other, and magnetic keepers placed at each end of the pair of magnets. As you seen there, figure is there. Okay, so in both the ends, what we are doing, we are keeping the magnetic keepers. Okay, so that in this way, a magnetic keeper is reused, or we make the substance. Is it clear, beta?
yes sir.
Okay. Hamza is here. Hamza Kamar.
Yes, sir.
Beta, you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now tell me uses of magnets. You know that uses of magnets are very important nowadays, and it is used earlier means uses of magnets. Till here, anyone having problem?
No, sir.
Okay, Jazakallah beta. See, uses of magnets. I'm telling some writing some uses here. Okay, let me raise this board.
Sir, first it is used in compass.
Second,
No, beta, wait. Okay, just I'm writing something. Then you will tell. Okay. 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 So uses of magnet. Okay, we all know that it is used basically in compass. Okay, it is used.
second gate,
Yes, tell me.
spring gate, gates,
In
gates.
gates. Okay.
Then in
Rocket.
motorcycles and all.
Electronics, it is basically used in electronics. Generators, it is used.
The rockets also. Generators, yes, sir.
You can say bells, electric bells, doorbells are, you can say doorbells.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So speakers. Okay.
Because, yes,
Means
sir.
there are several uses, or in one word I can say that magnets are used everywhere in electronics. A small current or small magnet is placed, okay, in our mobile also, okay, in you can say whatever be electronics we are using, gadgets we are using, in that automobiles, see spark plug is in the bikes, cars, or you in short, in one word, you can say automobiles. Okay. Industrial purposes. If you see means, if you observe or see any type of video that in the scraps, you see what is scraps? SCRAPS. Any idea scraps? Anyone?
Maybe
Hazel, beta, tell me scrap. Any idea what scrap? Still
No,
some
sir.
cameras are off, beta. Why?
probably, sir, it could be used when handling scrap metals in junkyards to separate. Stuff.
Yes, to clear the junk yard is used. Scratch means basically whatever the waste. Okay, means plastic waste, electronic waste, and that means you can say that street pickers or that scrap businesses there. Na, we have to discard the things, and a thela wala will come at our doors and collect all the waste materials. So that is called as scraps. The waste thing which we disposed of, they collected and segregated into separate, like plastic is separated separately, or iron materials are means kept another way. So what we are doing in where the in the junkyard, or where they empty their trucks or wagons with the scrap, and their huge magnets are used so that they can, all the iron is get attracted to that huge magnet. Okay, and it is get lifted. See in your means book also, means figure 6.14 is there. Figure 6.14 on page number, you can say 95. Everyone is seeing it?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
in that you see the crane is there, and that circular part thing is that na, this is called as your means a strong magnet is attached to that hook, and it is get lowered towards the scrap, and whatever be the material made of iron get attracted with this huge or strong magnet. So in this way, it is the iron things get separated from the non-iron materials. Okay, is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. And any problem till now regarding uses?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, okay,
No, sir.
okay.
Sir.
Are you revising the course during this vacation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You're sure? Can I ask questions from the back side?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Previous chapters also?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay, okay. Everyone be ready, okay? Earlier, as what I was
Yes, sir.
doing in the last, I was going to ask the questions. Okay. So in the same way, I can ask a question.
Randomly, sir.
Okay, wait. Let me ask.
reading questions. I'm not doing anything because I'm not here.
Abdullah bin Umar, you are not in Aligarh.
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm here.
Okay, okay. Who is saying this? I'm not.
I am. I
This was
am.
Ahmad Ali.
Abdullah.
Ahmad Ali.
Abdullah.
Okay. Okay. Ahmad Ali, start revising the things, beta. Okay. If anyone having some queries, now you can ask, because you see, na exams will going to happen very soon. So you should know the things, each and every
Offline.
lines. Acha, okay, tell me, what do you mean by that resistance force? Just raise the hand and I'll select the student who will answer. What do you understand by resistance force? Just raise the hand. No one will shout. Okay, Hassan, very good, mashallah. Khizr bin Ibrahim. Yes, anyone else?
Sir, resultant force.
Okay, please raise the hand. I'm not asking you directly.
Which force?
Yes, Afan Baha, please you tell me.
Friction.
Afan Baha, please you tell me the
What is
answer.
the question?
But the question was, what do you mean by the resistive or resistance force? Afan Baha, please tell me. Afan Baha, are you there? Tell me, beta.
I don't know.
Beta, this is very well. It is means third chapter. It is there. Huh? What you did in the vacations?
Sir, resultant force or resistance force?
Not resultant. I'm asking resistance force.
May I answer?
Ha, beta. Now you can tell me, beta. First.
Resistance force is also known as the force of friction. It opposes movement.
Yes.
Like
Okay.
that resistant force is the force which opposes movement.
Okay. Okay. Within 5 minutes, it will be turned off the meeting. Okay. So, page number 94, 95, I have covered. Okay. Just open page number 96 fast. Everyone opened? Khizr, are you there, beta? Listen to me. Okay. Khizr, beta, read this paragraph. They are also used in maglev trains. Khizr?
Sir, I'm not having the book.
Okay. Yes.
So can I read?
Ha, yes, beta, please.
They are also used in maglev trains, short form for magnetic levitation. Levitation. The fastest trains in the world till date with speeds above 500 kilometers per hour. These trains float up over a guideway, which is like floating in air. The principle is the repulsion between the poles of magnets in the guideway and the bottom of the train. The repulsion lifts the train off the guideway. Figure 6.15.
Okay. So, beta, what is maglev train? You all know that it is the fastest train used in all kinds of bullet trains.
Yes.
Basically, means they use the principle of magnetism. Means levitation means just raise from the rail. Rail means the track. Okay, it is just raise and move due to that repulsion of the magnet. Yes.
Sir, can it?
Ha, yes, beta. Usama, you understood this, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, mashallah. Yes. Who are having problem? Just ask me or text me on my WhatsApp number.
Sir, how are the trains moving while
Beta, you
floating in
see,
the air?
when you take two magnets na, and just want to bring together near to each other, one side they will attract, and if you turn one side, only one of the magnet, you turn it back and bring it again closer, then it will not attract. Because you already know the principle is that opposite poles will attract and like poles will not attract. When we bring the like poles together, so there is always a gap due to repulsion. That is called like poles do not attract, they will repel. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, once again, this chapter is completed. Okay. So, if you have any problem, go through these questions and all these. If you have any problem, then you can ask me. Okay.
That maglev train are there, which is like floating in the air. So
Exactly,
it did
beta.
not fall.
No, beta, it will not fall. it is designed in such a way that it was just raised over the track, not here and there.
Sir, it
Exactly.
is that.
See, I
Sir?
am telling you, I will see this. See, this is the track. Okay, it is just raised. It is just move a little bit up. Okay, a little bit up, and it will continue. Is it clear? This is your
Yes, sir, yes.
maglev train, and this is your original track. Is it clear? So in this
Yes,
way,
sir.
it
Yes,
is
sir.
moving.
Yes,
Is it
sir, it
clear?
is clear.
So please go through this chapter once again. Okay, I will and I will give some questions also so that I should know. Okay, where should I know that you understood this chapter? Okay, I will mark your performance as I was marking earlier also. Is it clear? I mean,
Yes, sir.
yes.
हमारी आसिम की टाइमिंग आई है शायद
Beta, who is speaking Hindi?
वो नहीं पता
Beta,
देखो
who
शायद
is speaking Hindi?
There is Zakwan. Sir is
Why,
Zakwan.
beta? Should I write your name, beta, and give it to the office? Afan Baga, this time I'm telling to you, if you're not improving your performance, I will send your name. Please, if you have any kind of problem, now you can. Why you are not asking? If you are not having, if you are having some problem, you should ask. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to make some small points. Okay, as I told in the class also,
Okay.
point number 1, point number 2 of this whole chapter, and send it to me on my number. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And on that
Okay,
point,
sir.
whatever, listen carefully, this is very important. Whatever you are writing now, I will ask according to you. Means in your copy, what your points, important points you are writing, I will ask questions from that points. If someone is writing another points, I will ask, means individual copy for individual student. I will see the notes, what you are sending to me by tomorrow, 12 noon, by Sunday. Is it clear?
We send it now, sir.
You send it on my number. You can, miss, listen. By Sunday, 12 noon, you have to send. Or you can, I can extend the time, okay, by 3 p.m. you can say, okay, because these are windows, you sometimes you're taking breakfast late in the during Sundays. So by 3 p.m. you have to send, okay, not write extra things, only write what is called important bullets points. As I told me, arrow diagram such that you should understood the means the chapter, the concept. And also if you have any problem, so you can ask me also. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
So in this way, listen to me. In this way, that like I wrote right now, use of magnets, just bullets,
sir,
compass,
about which
gates,
we